is a fascinating language. There are several words which have similar spelling but completely different meaning. And if you get a handle on them, it's so easy you can master your verbal and written communication. But the problem is if you use them in the wrong places, instead of the other, then your communication can go for a toss. Beside versus besides is one such. Beside is a preposition, besides is also a preposition, just that besides at times is used as a linking adverb as well. Beside, beside, means close to or next to. For example, the book is beside the table, the lunchbox is beside the table, the shirt is beside the wardrobe. Come sit beside me. Beside is used very much in formal speech, whereas besides means in addition to or apart from. And when it's used as a linking adverb, it also means furthermore. Besides singing, what else do you do? Besides playing the piano, what else did you do for the day? Right? He was not attending the party. Besides, he was not even invited. Right? Those are a few examples that bring out the meaning of besides. Yet another dimension to this word, beside and besides, is there's a common idiom that we always use, beside the point, which means irrelevant, right? But what happens is mostly we use it as besides the point, which is wrong. The actual and correct usage is beside the point, right? I don't know if you if you found this video useful, but if you did, please hit the subscribe button next to my logo that's flashing there, beautiful times. And it's not always easy to compress so much of information about a particular set of words in one small snippet of a video. So please visit my website beautifultimes.in, where a complete blog post is there that narrates the details related to the video, and more examples are also there for your understanding. I really hoped you found this useful. Thank you and take care.